Welcome back to Winners Capsule. Today we'll discuss some important KS questions. First one, which foreigner arrived in India on November 6, 1893? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar, B. W.A. Hume, C. Annie Besant, and D. None of these. Answer is option C, Annie Besant. Khan Abdul Ghaffar is known as the Frontier Gandhi. So, Annie Besant is a foreigner who arrived in India on November 6, 1893. Moving to second question. The state of Mysore came into existence on A. 1st November 1956, B. 8th August 1942, C. 15th August 1947, and D. 31st October 1947. Answer is option A, 1st November 1956. On 1st November 1956, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Mysore became the states of India. Moving to the third question. Sandalwood is largely found in A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka and D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is option C, Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in which sandalwood are largely found. Fourth one, on which day was the Earth Hour celebrated throughout the globe in 2011? A. 1st January, B. 26th March, C. 28th February and D. 5th April. Answer is option B, 26th March. Earth Hour, it's a worldwide movement organized by the World Wide Fund for Nature, that is WWF, and this event it is held annually for encouraging the individuals, the communities and business to turn off the non-essential electric light for 1 hour. That is as a symbol for the commitment to the planet. This was started as a lights off event in Sydney, Australia in 2007. In 2011, Earth Hour was celebrated on 26th March. Moving to fifth one. The short term PAN stands for A. Public account number, B. Personal account number, C. Permanent account number and D. Postal account number. Answer is option C, permanent account number. So, PAN stands for permanent account number. Sixth one, Badami, the second capital of early Chalukyas, was formerly known as A. Vatapi, B. Aihole, C. Belur and D. Halebed. Answer is option A, Vatapi. So, Badami is also known as Vatapi. Seventh one, Kangra Valley is situated in A. Haryana, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Punjab and D. Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. This valley is situated in the western Himalayas and this valley predominantly lies in the Himachal Pradesh. So, Kangra Valley is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Eighth one, the chief editor of WikiLeaks is A. Julian Assange, B. Bob Hanks, C. Christopher Lee and D. Dave Barber. Answer is option A, Julian Assange. Ninth one, 2G scam refers to A. Cricket, B. Real estate, C. Telecommunication and D. Money laundering. Answer is option C, telecommunication. So 2G scam or 2G spectrum case is associated with telecommunication. 10th one, Aruna Shanbag case was related to A. Dowry death, B. Euthanasia, C. Deportation and D. Defamation. Answer is option B, euthanasia. Aruna Shanbag was an Indian nurse who was at the center of attention in a court case on euthanasia. She had spent 42 years in a vegetative state as a result of sexual assault. While working as a junior nurse at King Edward Memorial Hospital, Mumbai in 1973, she was sexually assaulted by a ward boy named Sohananlal Bharata Valmiki. So on 18th May 2015, she died of pneumonia. So Aruna Shanbag case is related to euthanasia. Meaning of euthanasia is mercy killing. Next question. The majority of the people of Bahrain are A. Shias, B. Ahmadiyas, C. Sunnis and D. Parsis. Answer is option A. Shias. Next question. A jet engine works on the principle of A. Einstein's E equal to mc square, B. Conservation of mass, C. Conservation of energy and D. Conservation of linear momentum. Answer is option D. Conservation of linear momentum. So jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. 13th one. The sky appears blue because A. Blue light is scattered most by the atmosphere. B. Velocity of blue light being greater than that of other colors, it reaches the observer first. C. Intensity of blue light from sun is more. D. Light of blue color is absorbed the least in the atmosphere. Answer is option A. Blue light is scattered most by the atmosphere. So the sky appears blue because blue light is scattered most by the atmosphere. Principle of scattering. 14th one. The basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution was first formulated in A. Keshavananda Bharati, State of Kerala. B. A.K. Gopalan, State of Madras. C. Shankari Prasad, Union of India. D. Golaknath, State of Punjab. Answer is option A. Keshavananda Bharati, State of Kerala. The basic structure doctrine is an Indian judicial principle. It was formally introduced with rigorous legal reasoning of Justice Hans Raj Khanna's decisive judgment in the landmark decision of Keshavananda Bharati, State of Kerala. That is the Constitution of India. It has certain basic features that cannot be altered or destroyed through the amendment by the Parliament. This is basic structure doctrine of Indian Constitution and it was first formulated in Keshavananda Bharati, State of Kerala. 15th one. The metal present in chlorophyll is A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Magnesium and D. Zinc. Answer is option C. Magnesium. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.